Take a ride in the 2020 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, navigation system, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.